All right, you guys. So last time on the DR vlogs, I was looking for property. I found a beach, something good to eat, and I was out of propane. So let's see what's going on right now. I've been watching my videos lately, and I've been doing a reckless job of recording, I think, because I don't like having my phone just out. Number one, I'm afraid to drop it. I already cracked the back of it and I don't have a new phone, so I've just been afraid to drop my phone. You know. But yeah, anyway, I need to do a better job filming. I also need to get some type of like mini rig or a gimbal to keep my phone more balanced. I know that this building right here up on the left, it seems abandoned. And I feel like people are living in there. But yeah, I just try to steer clear of it because it's a whole bunch of young guys, you know. And a lot of these cars are just, oh man, I hope you guys could hear what I was saying. I have a habit of covering my phone with my fingers, and if I'm gonna be filming with my phone, which I find myself more apt to do, I have to remember not to cover the volume near the charge port, so I'm able to so you guys are able to hear me. I'm going to get a withdrawal so I can get some water and get some breakfast, different things like that. What's that? This is where I usually come and get something. I'm going to the hotel to get cash. Okay, you guys, so I got everything I needed, and I really wish that I would have showed you around the store a little bit because it's such a cute little market. But all is well. I should have went to the supermarket, but I didn't really have any money to get on the bus. The ATM didn't work for me. So I had to spend the minimum, which was $6. I think I spent more than that. It's okay though, I mean, you know. Adios. There's a guy, I went in there before and I didn't have enough money, or I wasn't spending enough money to use my card, and he bought the things that I needed. It was really nice of him. I meant to get a few pieces of bread so I can make these eggs. I'm probably gonna make them in the microwave. I'm only gonna be in this particular residence for one more day, so I don't really wanna buy any propane. I mean, you know, so I'll see you guys back at the house. Dominican men are straight comedy. I wish you could have seen how this guy, they be too much. They be gassing you. They be having you out here thinking like, oh. That was really hilarious though. Okay, so this is what I got. I got some hair gel, number one, that says extreme. I just don't think this is gonna be like the best, but I said I'd give it a try because I kind of needed some gel. And then some chips, orange juice, a bottle of water, a bottle of rum, of course, some bananas, a big old mango, 2 lollipops, another thing of water. I think that's it. And this all came to about 15 bucks. Oh yeah, and I think a couple packs of gum. I don't know if I showed you that. My face is, I'm dripping, leaking like sweat. It's unreal. Like, okay, you guys, let's go. We're going to see the place. I'm not getting propane. We're about to head out again, and then we're gonna be right back.
So were you at Rappy's last night?
Rappy.
Republic.
Oh no.
They were beautiful, big purple flowers. Haven't yet. Yeah, it needs to be opened for sure. Okay. Inky, when you don't open these regularly.
Okay, so I'll take it.
Come and see the bedrooms.
Oh my God, it's beautiful, and it's right next to the pool.
And you're getting a good deal.
I am.
Here's the guest bedroom.
Yes.
And there's a washroom here. We gotta air it out. There's a nice shower there.
Yeah, I'm just fine. I didn't even see it.
Look at the nice shower.
That is so beautiful.
I think the other one has a tub, so I'd be using the shower.
Yeah.
Lots of space, closets. Yeah, so there's a shower, but there's also a tub.
This is so.
So for laundry, it's on the top floor,
Okay.
and they're all brand new washer and dryers.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll go outside. This is the best part,
Yeah.
but I'm not happy with the smell. Okay. And you want it for 6 months?
You know, if I could have it even longer, 6 months is just the starting point because I'm not 100%. I wasn't 100% sure. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it needs to be swept.
I wouldn't even need a gym. I could work out right here.
Exactly. And then when you get hot,
Swim. Yeah, you know,
and there's a restaurant. You can see it.
Oh my goodness. I'm blown away. I just wasn't sure, you know, because she said that they were going to come in October.
Mm-hmm.
And you guys, I'm fucking obsessed. Oh my God. Oh my God.
And if they can't find the light, they'll replace the whole thing. So that came from the office. Got lots of space, eh?
So beautiful.
Do you have a lot of clothes?
Not anymore. I used to. I used to have a ton of clothes.
So what are you doing? Downsizing your life?
Pretty much.
Thank you so much.
Hey you guys, so I'm checking out of my Airbnb and I just wanted to show you it as I'm checking out. This is the place that I was staying in for a couple weeks. It's like literally perfect. I showed you guys the pool and how at home I was. It's a great area, great building with a lot of great people in the building. There was a wash machine. You could line dry your clothing. I mean, because why would you need a dryer in the Caribbean? Be serious. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I'll have the information in the bottom bar so you guys can check it out. If you're ever in Dominican Republic, like, you need to rent this place. Seriously, it's perfect. There you go. Isn't that what you said the first time?
Maybe.
Super cute.
He has his own YouTube channel.
Oh, I have to subscribe.
Okay,
Okay, gracias.
gotta hurry. She's very close by. She got to get the 1 o'clock bus.
So I'm in my place, and I thought that I would show you a little bit better what it looks like. This is the living room. Boom, pool right outside. Kitchen. This is the place, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. $700 a month. This is one of the bedrooms. And look at this. Unreal. Hey girl. Okay, you guys, so this is Jumbo. And actually we're in the mall, but we're going to Jumbo. And pretty much it's a supermarket. So you'll be able to see different things. Okay, you guys, so pretty much this is a shopping experience. There are many things here that are a lot cheaper, you know, but there are some things that are just equally priced, and a lot of the things, especially things from the United States, are super expensive, like crazy, like really. This is $10. This is $10. 10. All right, you guys, so this is pretty much my first time making breakfast in my new place. I just really love it. The one thing that I love about places out here is they pretty much come fully furnished. I completely downsized my life, and I have never felt freer, just enjoying the little things that I have in a new environment, meeting new people. I'm just so grateful, and I just feel so at peace. Definitely make sure to stay tuned to this channel if you'd like to see more of my journey in the Dominican Republic. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
Phone rings, I'd say I think